Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 136 of Surah Al-Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولئك جزاؤهم مغفرة من ربهم وجنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ونعم أجر العاملين. Ulaika. Hamza is very short. There is Dhamma, and you can see wow, but can you see this small zero at the top of wow? That means we are not pronouncing this wow. So Hamza is very short and Dhamma is very short. La is 4 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. Ka short. U is short. Ulaika. Ja from your middle part of your tongue, and there shouldn't be any ch sound into it. J, za, 4 counts long. U for the circular lips. The sound of Hamza is very sharp. Hum for the circular lips. And this is a idgham shafawi. So hum, so give a nice long gunna. This is akmal gunna. Hum for fatha open your jaws, attach it. Ghain will get sifa for a khawa. And that is heavy. Fi for kasra give e sound. Ra Ra is heavy, the sound is short. Open your jaws for fatha, and tum idgham with gunna. So akmal gunna will be applied here. Tum mir for kasra get e sound attached with ra. Ra will be heavy. Mir rabbi. Ra is attached with ba. It is shadid. Rabbi. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim. Mim will sip out the wasud. And don't drop this kasra sound. Him. Huwa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Jan, no chanak, no ch sound in jim. And attached with noon, noon will get sifa of gunna. And this is akmal gunna. Jan. Here you will give nice long sound. And it is 2 counts long too. Na. Tung. This is idgham with gunna, so give a nice longer gunna. It is idgham kamila, and you are keeping your tongue straight. Sorry, it is not idgham, it is ikhfa. So you are keeping the sound, your tongue straight, and straight tongue, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. And this gunna is kamila. It is not akmal, this is kamila. Even kamila is not very less than akmal. Okay, so be careful to give a nice gunna sound here. Jannatun. Keep your tongue straight to make this ikhfa, because ta is among light letters. Taji, ta is very sharp, attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Tajri is 2 counts long, and ra is light. Nya, again, this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. Keep your tongue straight, and you are not pronouncing noon with your tongue, but you're keeping sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of ta, and your tongue should be in a straight position. Nya, ta is very sharp. As you will touch ha will get sifa for khawa, and it is light. Ta, ti for kasra give e sound. The sound is very sharp. Ti, hal for ha fatha open your jaws, attached with lam. It is not anymore long because it is being attached with lam, and lam will get sifa of the wasut. Hal, an hamza is very sharp, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of the wasut because this is ilfar. An, ha, 2 counts long. Oru, for the circle your lips. Sound is very short, but ra is heavy. Oru. Kha, 2 counts long and make it heavy. Li, for kasra, give E sound. Di, 2 counts long. Na, short. Fi, hums. Don't drop that hums. And it is 2 counts long. Fi, ha, 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips for fatah, open your jaws. Nia, for kasra, give E sound. Don't drop this E sound. Ain will get sifa tawasut, and squeeze your throat well to pronounce this ain from your middle of your throat. Nia. Ma is short. Aji, hamza is very sharp. Fatah, open your jaws, attach with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Aji. Urul, for the circle your lips, set with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Urul. Ain from your throat, and it is 2 counts long. Ni, for constructive E sound, the sound is very short. Lean, 4 counts long, and tawassut. And this is a mad arid listakun. قد خلت من قبلكم سنن فسيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين. قد, قاف is heavy for fatah, open your jaws, attach with that. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. قد, kha is heavy and the sound is short. Let's, lam is short, but as soon you touch that, ta will get hums, nice hums. Let's, ning, this is ikhfa and this is heavy ikhfa. So lift your tongue up nicely to make this ikhfa. Keep sound in your nose for a longer time because this is, because, wait. Because this is heavy ikhfa. Min qab, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qab, li, for kasra, give E sound. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Kum, as soon you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position. Su, for dhamma, circle your lips. Na, short. Sound is seen is short. Noon is short. Su, na, no, ikhfa. So you're not pronouncing noon with your tongue. You're just keeping the sound in your nose and preparing your mouth to say fa. No, fa. Fa is short with hums. No doubt. There is always hums in fa. Si, 2 counts long. Ru, ra is heavy and it is 2 counts long for dhamma, circle your lips. Feel, for constructive E sound, it is not anymore long because it is being attached with the coming up letter, and that is lam, and giving tawassut on lam. Feel, hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra is heavy because there is fatha before it. Ardi, for constructive E sound. Fang, give hums on fa, give nice fatha, and then create ikhfa. And this is heavy ikhfa because la is among heavy letters. So you are going to lift your tongue up. You are keeping the sound in your nose, and you are preparing your mouth to say la. Fang, for the circle your lips, and la is heavy, so make sound heavy, but the sound is very short. Ru, ru is heavy and 2 counts long. For circle, you're circling. For dhamma, you're circling your lips. Kay, 2 counts long. And it is harfleen, with hums, and for fatha is very short. Kayf, ka, 2 counts long, it is light. Na, short. Squeeze fell for so to pronounce ain, and it is 2 counts long. For kasra, give E sound, it is heavy. Ba, short. Tul for the circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tul mu for the circle your lips. And the sound is very short. Kadh. Kaf is light. There is no hums. And as soon as you'll touch the dal, there will be rakhawa. The sound shouldn't stop until you are satisfied that you did it. Kadh. And for kasra, kasra is very short. The bean four comes long. Give the words. كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين. Ha, 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Ba, short. Yeah, light. And be careful not to stress ya here. And 2 counts long. Nulli, idgham without gunna. So you're not keeping sound in your nose. Nulli, li. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is very short. Attach with nun. Lin, baya, nullin, idgham. كامل أكمل إدغام لين. Keeping sound in your nose very nice for a nice time. Na 2 counts long. Si or give e sound. Wa short. Hu for the circle your lips. The sound is very short. Down idgham with gunna. Keep sound in your nose for a longer time. Down. Wa wow is short. Mau 2 counts long. Ai from your throat. Don't forget your throat. Use your throat for ain. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is very short. Oi, wa is heavy, and sound is short. Tulli is gone without gunna. Tullil for kasra, give e sound. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Tullil mut for the circle. Attached with ta. Ta is very sharp. Mut. The sound will cut off there and then. Mutta is short. Qeen, cough will be heavy. 4 counts long and give the wasut. Wa, circle your lips for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, la, 2 counts long. Ta, short. He, for kasra, keep e sound. No, for the circle your lips. 2 counts long. Wa, short. La, 2 counts long. Ta. Ta is very sharp. Ha will get rakhawa. The sound should flow. Ta, za is a very buzzy sound. Z sound for fatha, open your jaws. No, 2 counts long. Wala tahzanu. Wa for wow, circle your lips for fatha, open your jaws. Ikhfa, light ikhfa. Keep the sound in your nose and your tongue should be in a straight position because ta is a light letter. To for the circle your lips attach and it is very short sound. Mul for the circle your lips attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mul. Hamza is very sharp for fatha, open your jaws. Attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and ain should be from your throat. Law for fatha, open your jaws and it is 2 counts long. Na short because this is lean. Okay, law, this is lean. Na short. In this is ikhfa for kaf. So you are preparing your mouth to pronounce kaf and hiding the sound of noon. In kun for the circle your lips and ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa. Keep your tongue straight. Kuntum for the circle your lips. Attach with meme. This is idgham shafawi. So tum, give a nice idgham, and this is idgham akmal. Tum for the circle your lips. Attach with hamza. Hamza will give a nice strong break. Mu. The sound will cut off. Mi for kasra, give e sound. Mi, ni, 4 counts long and tawassut. إن يمسسكم قرح فقد مس القوم قرح مثله وتلك الأيام نداولها بين الناس وليعلم الله الذين آمنوا ويتخذ منكم شهداء والله لا يحب الظالمين. إدغام إدغام إيم. Yeah, is light. For fatha open your jaws, attach with me, we will get sifa off. Tawassut yam sas. For fatha open your jaws, attach with sin. Kum. For dhamma circle your lips, attach with me, we will get sifa of tawassut. Qaf is heavy, ra is heavy because ra there is fatha before ra. Qarhum. This is ikhfa and light ikhfa. Give hums for fatha, open your jaws. And qad, off is heavy, give qalqala on dal. Masal, meme from fatha, open your jaws, attach with sin will get rakhawa. And safi, masal, give tawassut on lam. When this meeting will end, we will start this ayah in the next session, okay? Qaw, 2 counts long because this is harfleen. Qawma, ma is short. Qaru, qaf is heavy for fatha. Open your jaws. For ra, give tawassut. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Qaru, for dhamma circle